Hello. So this is yeah, a symmetry problem mesh. Okay. So here I turn on the outline. Here the eyebrows are not symmetrical. Yeah. You see here the the gizmo pivot is not aligned with the center of the nose or the face. Yeah, let's check everything here. So I check here. Okay, I open the outliner. So first I clean a little bit. I don't need the fuse. And then I choose the mesh. So you see here the world here. There's, this is okay. And set is also okay. So, and translation is 0. So I think this is okay. And let's check the head. So you see here, there's, it's not in the center of the world. So I reset it to 0. So let's see what happens. So it moves a little bit to the side. Okay. So I check the eyes. So here's here's the pivot somewhere out there. So I delete this one. So I also delete this group node and this group node. So I put it on the top. I lost the eyeballs, I think. So these are the eyeballs. I delete the group node and maybe also the group node for this. So I pick now everything. And okay, so now I select this one. This is the left eye. Okay, the other eye I delete. And then, so I delete also this one. So, and I group it. And then I add a mirror. So you see here everything is 0, 0, 0. So, and this mesh here, I put it out of the group, and there's a rotation. So I check the symmetry for this. So I bake here the position, and then I recenter the pivot to the object center. So here you see also the symmetry is not centered. So I reset there's something wrong. So what could we try? The local symmetry, it's also not correct. So the local symmetry is not correct. Maybe I bring it a little bit more to this position. So I try to mirror it. Yeah, it looks better. So I use this version here. So then, yeah, now it's symmetrical. So I guess now the pivot is correct. So let's see. So I check here the mirror node. So you see here, there's a problem here. So I'm not sure. Here's a translation. So I bake now the pivot and now I'm moving here. Yeah, this fixes the problem, I guess. So then I bake the whole thing here. So now the eyes are correct. So let's check the front view. Yeah. So now the center of the eyes and the face is correct. So here for this, I bring it here in this position and so check the pivot, auto, and okay, here's something wrong. So I trim, turn symmetry off. So I add a mirror. So now it looks okay. So what's the next here? The hair. The piercing. So let's check the piercing. So now the piercing is correct, I think. So the eyelashes. So this is this mesh. This looks okay. This looks okay. Okay. And then this is the hair, I think. So hair. No, this is hair. Hair. Yeah, the hair. Maybe I delete the group node, not the whole group. So this is a complete hair. So and now I add a new group node. So now this group node is centered. So now we can place oh, we missed something. So here are also hair parts. Maybe this and this. And I put it also in this group. Okay. So I move it a little bit. I don't want to mirror it. So yeah. So now let's check everything. So I use a little bit clay. Symmetry is on. So okay, this works. And here, this mesh. Symmetry is also okay. Here, yeah, okay. So that's it. So the last thing I do is I check the wireframe because I want to export it, and I use decimation. So I decimate the mesh. No, I have to change my settings for decimation. Where's decimation here? Target triangles. 50%. So now I'm happy. I think this is okay. So I save the file. Symmetry fixed mesh. Okay. So, and let's last test. So I turn the outline on and I check here and I add a quartz sphere and see what happens. So the quartz sphere is in the center, so it's okay. So everything seems symmetrical now. Yeah. So that's it. Have fun fixing meshes. Ciao.